If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue on OKX, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Follow these steps to get your transfer completed. Step 1. Check network status. Ensure that the blockchain network you are using is operational. Sometimes, network congestion can cause delays in transfers. You can check the status on the official Blockchain Explorer or OKX's status page. Step 2. Verify transaction details. Review the details of your transaction, including the recipient's address and the amount. Make sure there are no errors, as incorrect information can lead to pending transfers. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. Sometimes transfers may take longer than expected due to network conditions. Allow some time for the transaction to be confirmed, especially during peak hours. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your transfer remains pending for an extended period, reach out to OKX customer support. Provide them with your transaction ID and any relevant details to expedite the process. Step 5. Review account limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s-shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue on OKX. If problems persist, continue to seek assistance from customer support for further guidance.